Hello, my name is Mike Nesty. I'm an accessibility specialist in Student Accessibility Services, and this video is intended to show the process of a faculty member receiving an accommodation letter. First, a notification email like the one seen on the screen will be sent alerting you that a student in your class has an accommodation letter for your review and implementation. After clicking the link in the email, you will be brought to the instructor portal. From the instructor portal, you have the option to select courses, which will show accommodation letters for your individual courses, or you can select accommodation letters, which will show you all students in your classes that have accommodation letters to view. After selecting accommodation letters, scroll down to see which student's accommodation letter you need to view. Once you've identified that student, click View Letter, which will bring you to a page where you have two options. One, you can review the PDF letter, which means you're going to download the letter for you to save it to your computer. Once you've done that, you click I acknowledge that I have received and reviewed this accommodation letter and click Submit. At this point, no further action is needed. The accommodation letter has been reviewed and has been confirmed in the system. Please connect with our office with any questions or concerns that you have. Thank you.